Good afternoon. I'm Althea Jane. I'm going to present to you my research essay. Should employees restrict the use of social media in workplace? Introduction. Social media integration is a common in modern workplace, eroding and conventional lines between personal and professional communication. Employees should restrict their usage of social media during working hours is a topic of ongoing debate. These are opposing viewpoints, with supporters of unfettered access standing in the opposition to others who favor limitation in order to increase efficiency and control hazards. In tradition, workplaces communication was often confined to formal channels such as emails, phone calls, and in-person meeting. However, with the advent of social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, employees now have additional avenues of communication and collaboration. The debate over whether employees should restrict their usage of social media during work hours is multifaceted and ongoing. Thesis statement: maintain productivity, protect sensitive information from breaches, uphold professional standards within the workplace. Implementing policies that designate specific break times for social media use or blocking access to social media sites during certain hours can encourage employees to stay focused on their work tasks and maintain higher level of productivity. Restricting social media usage in workplace can help protect sensitive information from breaches by minimizing the opportunities for data leakage, preventing malware infections, and safeguarding the organization reputation. Employers can uphold professional standards, promote respectful communication, prevent harassment and bullying, protect companies' reputation, and maintain confidentiality. Counter-argument: employees can create a calmer and more focused atmosphere that promotes employee well-being, reduces stress levels, and enhances productivity and job satisfaction. Employees can create a more positive and supportive work environment where employees feel connected, valued, and motivated to perform their best. Employees can foster a culture of collaboration, innovation, and continuous learning while also providing employees with the support and resources they need to grow and succeed in their careers. According to Smith and Jones and Brown, research shows negative correlation between high social media use during work hours, missed deadlines, and poor activity. A careless attitude towards social media use could erode professional boundaries and threaten data security. Constructive argument 1. Implementing restriction in social media usage in the workplace can help reduce distractions, increase focus and efficiency, improve time management, enhance the performance, boost employee engagement, and reduce stress levels. By implementing these strategies and fostering a culture that values and positive work, organization can create an environment where employees are motivated, engaged, and committed committed to achieving excellence in the site. Restricting social media usage is the workplace is a proactive measure to safeguard productivity, protect sensitive information, and uphold professional standards by implementing appropriate restriction and promoting responsible internet usage where organization can create a conductive work environment where employee can focus on their tasks, maintain data security, and uphold the highest standards of professionalism and integrity. And those are my references. Thank you.